Ever wonder how electricity safely powers everything from cars to cities? Meet high voltage relays, the super strong, super smart switches behind the scenes. Unlike your home light switch, these relays handle massive currents acting as safety gates for our electric world. With a tiny signal, they connect or disconnect circuits carrying thousands of volts, making modern tech possible and safe. Without them, charging electric vehicles or running stable power grids would be risky. Their main job? Isolation, keeping high power systems safely separated from low power controls. For example, in electric cars, a relay bridges the tiny computer command to the huge battery current, protecting both electronics and people. As we shift to electric cars, renewables, and smart grids, these relays are more vital than ever. They're not just components, they're the key to a safer, cleaner, electrified future. Understanding high voltage relays means understanding the backbone of our modern world. Next time you flip a switch or charge your car, remember the unseen sentinels making it all possible. Science isn't just cool, it's essential. Let's see how these power wranglers actually work. So, how do high voltage relays pull off their magic? It's all about electromagnetism. Inside, a small coil turns into a magnet when energized, pulling a switch called an armature. This armature moves contacts that open or close the high voltage circuit, turning power on or off. The contacts sit in a sealed chamber often filled with inert gas or a vacuum to prevent dangerous electrical arcs. The relay's parts, a low power control circuit, the coil, the moving armature, and heavy duty contacts, special materials and careful sealing keep everything safe and reliable. Think of it like a drawbridge. A tiny signal lifts or lowers the bridge, letting huge currents flow or stop. This clever combo of magnetism and mechanics lets a small command control massive energy. That's why high voltage relays are essential to modern engineering. Next, let's see where these heroes are hiding in our daily lives. The science is simple, but the impact is huge. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit NavaTies.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. High voltage relays are everywhere, from your home to massive factories. Got solar panels? There's likely a relay in your inverter, safely connecting and disconnecting your system from the grid. In data centers, relays instantly switch between grid and backup power, keeping servers running. Hospitals rely on them for safe, reliable operation of MRI and X-ray machines. In factories, relays control powerful motors and robotic arms, and test equipment uses them to switch high voltages rapidly. Electric vehicle charging stations, both public and industrial, depend on relays to handle huge charging currents safely. These devices are the silent gatekeepers of industrial power. As our world electrifies, relays are becoming even more essential. They are the invisible switches making our smart homes, clean energy, and advanced industries possible. Let's look at who's leading the charge in this global relay race. The global trade for high voltage relays is currently valued at USD 5.7 billion, fluctuating between USD 4.7 billion and USD 5.9 billion over the past 5 years. In terms of quantity, the global trade volume stands at about 0.12 million tons, with a historical range between 0.1 million tons and 0.14 million tons. The average global price for high voltage relays is $48.36 per kg. The top importers of high voltage relays are USA, Germany, Czechia, China, Mexico, India, Italy, France, Turkey, and Saudi Arabia. While the top exporters are China, Germany, USA, France, Czechia, Italy, Mexico, Indonesia, Finland, and the Netherlands. India currently exports USD 119 million worth of high voltage relays, supplying about 1,700 tons to the global market at an average price of $69.39 per kg. India holds a 2.07% market share in value and 1.44% in quantity. Over the last 5 years, India's market share has ranged between 1.51% and 2.07%, with revenues between USD 70.8 million and USD 118 million. So if you are looking to import high voltage relays at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for high voltage relays trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. High voltage relays are evolving fast, smarter, greener, and more efficient than ever. New latching relays use energy only to switch, not to stay on, saving huge amounts of power across millions of devices. Modern relays now include sensors and microcontrollers monitoring their own health and reporting data for predictive maintenance. This means fewer failures, less downtime, and safer systems. The renewable energy boom demands relays that can handle rapid switching and variable loads, keeping smart grids stable. Companies racing to deliver smarter, more robust relays are unlocking massive market opportunities. As we move toward a fully electric, sustainable future, these components are more critical than ever. High voltage relays aren't just switches, they are the enablers of clean, intelligent energy systems. The science behind them is powering a greener planet. Next time you see an electric car or solar panel, remember the tiny relay making it all possible. The future is electric and relays are leading the way. How can NavaTies help you in exploring the global trade of high voltage relays? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global high voltage relays trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import high voltage relays based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to electrical products industry or access our world directory of companies, trade and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report of global high voltage relays trade or visit NavaTies.com. Overall, the international market for high voltage relays presents lucrative opportunities for manufacturers and exporters, particularly those who can offer innovative solutions that meet the evolving needs of customers in various industries. By staying abreast of market trends and leveraging opportunities in emerging sectors, companies can position themselves for success in this dynamic and competitive market. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.